Thank you for buying this 11123 whiteboard from fixturedisplays.com. You can find this product by searching 11123 on fixturedisplays.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to install this product along with how to use this product in your home or business. It comes with 2 screws and 2 plastic anchors and a screwdriver. You may want to use your own screwdriver with a good handle for better installation results. There are 2 holes on each side, so you can install this on your wall either horizontally or vertically. Again, you can see the 2 holes on both sides of the metal frame. The metal frame is made of a 1-inch, close to 1 inch, is actually 0.6 inch tube, a steel metal tube welded together. The frame is black and the board itself is white. It comes with a clear film for protection. Before you use this whiteboard, please do remove the clear film. You can use this board to write down your to-do list or post a quick notice in your work environment, or display certain literature or posters on this whiteboard using magnets, which we'll show you later on how it works with magnets. As you can see, with the proper dry erase marker, you can erase the writing with a piece of fabric or eraser fairly easily. Now we have a piece of literature we're going to use for magnets to attach it. The magnets are not provided, but the board is magnetic. In other words, you can use magnets to work with this board. If you have any questions, please email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. That's Charlie Sam at fixturedisplays.com. We're going to give you some dimensions. The length is 19.6 inches. The height is 16 inches. And front to back is 0.6 inches. If you like our product, we can really use a good review. A picture is not required, but it would be nice to see how you use this product to inspire other buyers to utilize this whiteboard to manage their lives better or work better. I want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays. Have a blessed day.